Hey everyone, it's Star. Thanks for joining me today on my channel, Flippin' Hippos. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, help us feed a hungry hippo, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. This is the Thredup unboxing part 2. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted the beginning of this video, and now the jeans are all over the floor because I have finished recording all of this. So I'm trying to remember what I said in the video I accidentally deleted. I believe I told you this is part 2. If you want to watch part 1, you can go back and watch that, or I'll have it pop up at the end. We're going through the second box of jeans that Keith washed and dried. Put through the washing machine in the dryer. The Thredup 50-pound boxes are pretty ginormous, so by the time he washes and dries all of it, it goes into 2 of our boxes that he brings them up in. So we're on the second box. I think I only did like 2 pairs out of the box before I had to stop and start again in the editing process. There was like a Walmart pair and some other ones. But we'll just jump into where I left off after I accidentally deleted the video. And you can see the rest of the unboxing, all of the jeans, and what the total outcome was of the video. Those are bread and butter. Next, we have wax jeans. These are poop, with the exception, and I said this in the other one because I had another pair of wax. If you find the wax jeans, but I love you, B-U-T-T, I love you, those are bread and butter. Old Navy, bread and butter all day long, especially size 16s. I'm just throwing stuff everywhere. These are some jeans. BDG Denim. Poop. I'll sell them though. Poopy poops. Remember, even the ones that I'm calling poop, I'm going to list for like 10 plus 10 shipping. Maybe 8 plus 10 shipping at the lowest. So even though I'm calling them poop, they will sell. They will profit about $8 or $9. So don't just get rid of stuff when you get wholesale lots. Sell everything. I've never heard of Dr. Denim. It's a matter of life and denim, guys. Like life and death. I like corny jokes. I appreciate these jeans. Dr. Denim, I appreciate a matter of life and denim on your tags. Makes me happy. We're gonna have to source them. We're gonna have to comp them. I ain't never heard of them. All right, this is amateur. So this is another denim. So this is H&M. This is the kids' jean jacket. I'm actually going to call this bread and butter. I know I called the jeans poop, but this is a jean jacket. And even though it's a kid's, it's a jean jacket. Jean jackets and jean shorts are like in a category all unto themselves. Garage denim is poop. These are poop. Don't source those. If you get them in a bulk buy, sell them for like $20. Levi's 511. Where did my phone get buried to? We're going to have to check this on my spreadsheet. My jeans prices come with my guide, which has been updated for 2024. If you're interested, it's available down below. And I sell these for about $25. 511. So that's a solid bread and butter. And then we've got the Celebrity Pink. Big time poop, guys. Big time poop. The poop. Poop, poop, poop. I probably, honestly, I don't know. If I found booty shorts or denim shorts of this brand for only 99 cents, I would probably pick them up and try to sell them for 18. But if they weren't 99 cents, they are not coming home with me. That brand is poop. Bullhead, poop. We've got, oh my goodness. I think these are Shein again. Shein, size small, cut off, distressed, ripped denim shorts. Definitely a bread and butter. Aeropostale. These are good too. These are kind of like in the Abercrombie and Fitch and Hollister category for me. They're small sizes, so they do sell very quickly, and they don't cost a lot to ship. And mutually divided, I'm going to call these bread and butter as well. I did call the full-length jeans boot. I sure did. Jeans are different, or shorts are different than jeans. We've got Joe's jeans. These are money, 30 to 35, depending on the style and size. I'm looking for another tag, and I'm not seeing it offhand. Joe's usually has names and stuff. I'll look for it when I do the pictures. We got one more in this box. A wee small something. Well, these are cute. What brand is it, though? I don't see any tags anywhere. There they are. We've got a tag that has the material, or the ingredients, as I like to call them. The ingredients. I don't see a size tag or a brand. But how cute are these shorts? These are booty shorts. In fact, you could probably zip on the side. Oh my goodness. These are some cute shorts. They zip on the side. But do you see how they almost resemble underwear? You see this piece that comes down right here? That almost resembles underwear. You could even call these hot pants. So keywords for something like this would be booty shorts, hot pants. And I'm still not seeing a brand, but I'm going to call them bread and butter because they're cute and they will sell. You ready to look some stuff up? Let me share my screen and we'll look up this small pile I set aside to look at with you guys. Make myself teeny tiny small. We'll go over here and we're going to look up Dr. Denim first. I believe they're men's. I believe so. Don't see a size right offhand. These are actually women's, believe it or not. My intuition was incorrect. So let's look these up. Dr. Denim's jeans, $20 shipping from the UK, $10 jeans. And that's the only pair I see. Oh, here's another one. Moxie Skinny, 32 plus 26 shipping. These must be overseas jeans. Hey, if you guys know anything about Dr. Denim, let me know. I would like to learn. These were $70 marked down, 75% off. So maybe these were something someone had for a long time and was just trying to clearance out. My gut is telling me they're bread and butter and that they're like a UK brand. Let's look at actual listed. I mean, I'm going to call them money. If you know different, let me know. If you know anything, let me know. Okay, this brand I haven't seen in a minute. The Vigos. I really feel like these were bread and butter a couple years ago, but that doesn't mean they are now. I don't mean to have that word there. Sorry. Yeah, they're pretty good bread and butters. Let's actually look at solds. Yeah, I mean 20 plus, I mean that's $30 pair of jeans. These are $30 pair of jeans in most instances, which usually I would call money. So yeah, I'm actually going to call them money. All right, we've got Maurice's. Again, I haven't seen these in a long time, and these are plus size, so I did want to see. So about $30 for the plus size. We got 20 plus 9 shipping, about 20 all in, almost 30. I'll call them bread and butter because we're probably going to get like 25 for them. One more pair to look up, guys. And these are the Indigo People, and these were men's. Indigo People. We're in the solds. About 30. About 30. Let's see what people are listing them at currently. Oh. People are listing them very low. Got 20. That's poop. Don't race to the bottom, people. Stop it. Probably going to have to list them for about 20 to 30. So it's about 25 probably. When in doubt, list it high and let it fly. That's my motto. All right, so let's go ahead and do the math on what I got in this box. 5, 10. I got 11. 11 Bolo or money brands. 10 poops. But remember, I sell my poops still, so it's fine. And 30 bread and butters. So I got 51 total pairs or pieces that I can sell out of this box. There's all my little notes and everything you can see there. And since I paid $59.99 all in with shipping, these are $1. I'll show you my math. $1.17. I divided $59.99 by 51 viable pieces I can sell. And so they are $1. We'll round it up to $1.18 per pair. Isn't that? I mean, I normally pay 99 cents at the thrift, but I have to leave the house. I have to drive there. I have to spend all the time going through the jeans on the rack, putting them in my cart, taking the hangers off, going up front, getting everything dinged out at the register, paying, coming home. This was one big box that was delivered right on my front porch. So it's worth $1.18 a piece for me. Let's do some more math together real quick. So let's say the money brands are usually going to be, let's figure it out. If they're going to sell for about $35 minus 15% fees, it's a little bit less than that, but I always say 15% for ease of math. And then we've got, I don't pay 10 shipping. I pay 8 at the most, usually a little bit less. So most of my money brands are going to be about, after cost of goods, about $20. We'll just say $20 profit. I got 11 of those. My bread and butters are usually around $10 profit. So that's another $300. And the poops will say right around 8, although I can usually sell them at the same prices as the bread and butter, believe it or not. But I usually do end up taking offers on those more often than not. So we'll just add another 80 yen for those. So once I sell all of these jeans, now give or take, if I run a sale, if I take an offer, if it ships somewhere closer to me, it's not going to cost as much to ship. You know, there's a lot of variables. But a rough estimate of my profit on this Thredup box is $600. And that's after cost of goods, after fees, after shipping. Not too shabby to spend $60 and turn it into $600, right? Takes a little bit of work. Jeans aren't easy, but with repetition, I think they are. When I was first learning jeans, they were not easy. But now I can sit here contentedly and measure and photograph hundreds of them a day and just watch movies and be happy. So that's the breakdown. 11 bolos, 30 bread and butters, 10 poops, 51 total pieces, $1.18 per piece for around a $600 profit. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. And don't forget to join our Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best. Bye.